we are heading to a new house that just closed on about 2 weeks ago. Still very early on in the process. It's still new to me, and I think we're gonna kind of start to get the ball rolling pretty much now. So that's why I think it's worth documenting it. And here we are. Let's go check it out. All right, so we are at 2315 Monument, and just look at this thing. I mean, it has so much curb appeal. And the first time I saw this house, you're a little blown away, or your jaw's a little dropped. Just an awesome entryway. And you kind of have that side entry, which is pretty special. It opens up to the main courtyard, which we'll see in a second. But yeah, let's go check out the inside. Right when you walk in is, you have that staircase and that gorgeous, limestone floor. And then you go into the library and they have this gorgeous ceiling. And, the first floor, it's almost like, oh my God, like, what did you buy? These two areas are really the heart and the main structure of this whole house. We have this amazing dining room that opens up to this courtyard. And then you get out to the courtyard and you're like, mind is blown. Like, you do not feel like you're in Richmond. Everything is centered around this. I call it right now my reflecting swamp, because I probably need to put some chlorine or something in it. There's so much of this house already intact and preserved so well, but then there's also so many spaces that really do need some work. It really is a blank slate, and I think there's a little bit of that mystery and that aspect that it makes it fun.
Those colors should go in that room.
I'm gonna work with Avery Frank and some friends that are designers, and and then me. I mean, yeah, I'm not a designer. I play one at Greenfront, but I think it'd be awesome to really see how different furniture talks to each other. Maybe learn more about whether it's wallpaper, custom hardware for bathrooms, redo the kitchen. A lot of these things I haven't done before. So I probably need to redo the cabinets eventually. No one needs a house like this, but how can we make it, part of the Greenfront community, use it for certain events, and, really just get the most out of it, because this house is meant to be shown, lived in, and loved. You feel like you're on vacation when you're in the middle of Richmond. Hopefully I keep this house for the rest of my life, so I'll have plenty of time to, really just do things that make a house a home, and then learn from that, and, hopefully take what I learn and, see how that can help at Greenfront. That's pretty much the tour. It's a blank slate, got a lot to work on, but it's just a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be able to have this house, and I can't wait to see what we're gonna do with it.